Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak on 5th July 2021, I'm extremely pleased to share that Treasury Consulting launched on Treasury Market Association, which is TMA. Broadly speaking, we are having associations of all requisite degrees. Example, we have CA, we have Institute of Chartered Accountant of India who covering CA, Institute of Cost Company Secretary who covering CS, and goes, and the list is pretty long. But across the globe, we have very limited treasury market associations. And even if those who are active as far as the treasury market associations are concerned, the kind of knowledge they are sparing, and our knowledge also, which is coming on the YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and everywhere. Keeping this in mind, we have decided to launch our own treasury market association, and it is live. The kind of technology, knowledge, and everything we would be able to provide. In case you wish to have any more information, you can definitely WhatsApp +91 9899242978, or you can WhatsApp on our back office number, which is +91 9818485155. Markets are in a very volatile stage. There is no doubt about that. As we speak, the Delta Plus, specifically talking, the Delta Plus is spreading at a very fastest pace across the globe. Today, I read almost 5 articles about Delta Plus, and one of the article is two Indians who traveled from India to US, and they were fully vaccinated and they got the virus. So in total, in a marriage, around 6 people got the virus, and if I'm not mistaken, all 6 of them are fully vaccinated. This definitely raising a lot of questions on the vaccinations. But since I'm not a medical professional, I'm not entering into a much debate. This is as per the Google article. You can refer on the Google. Secondly speaking, according to the article, other articles, all the 50 states of United States of America are having Delta Plus variant. That is separate that the quantum of variation differs. Example, in some cases, some states it is 2%, some states 3%, like in California, which is highest as far as the Google articles are concerned, it is around 35%. An article on the Google does suggest that this 35% was around 0% in March. So in March, the Delta Plus was 0%, and April, May, June, because July just started, to be honest. April, May, June, in 3 months, it is 35%. The most surprising decision to me is the London decision to open the United Kingdom completely, which includes the restaurants, the personal meeting, the social gathering, and the worrisome point for me is the mask. If you wish to wear the mask, most welcome. If you don't, most welcome. I don't know what is the basis of that decision, or how come such decisions are being taken into consideration. Now, the biggest question is that what would be the implications of these decisions on the global economy? The implications of these decisions on the global economy is very clear that if these decisions would backfire, and the probability of backfiring is much higher, then it would be a catastrophic situation across the globe, and no country would be spared. Because, guys, what is Europe? Europe is like a village, like If there is a festival in a village, the whole village is aware that there is a festival going on. The sound of that festival is across the village. People are aware about that festival, who is doing that festival, for what purpose the festival is going on, how long it would happen, and so on and so forth. To be honest, Europe is like this. Every country is connected with each other. Like, just a simplistic example, the border between multiple countries, without quoting the name, is just like, you know, like you are standing here, there is a road here, and next to the road, there is a border of another country. This is Europe. And in fact, in a country, they're all small cities or places are connected so each other that if these decisions backfire, then God knows what is going to get happen. I'm not saying that Boris Johnson made a wrong decision. Only the time would tell whether Boris Johnson decision would backfire or not. But as we speak, there is definitely a issue of Delta variant in UK. There is no doubt about that. Russia, Israel, Australia, Fiji, Indonesia, specifically speaking, according to the various articles on the Google, Indonesia health infrastructure on the verge of collapse. In fact, today, like I said, I always read 5 to 6 articles daily. Today, when I was reading the article, I got to know that 60 plus people died in Indonesia only because of oxygen scarcity. And by the way, these articles are on Google. You can yourself check. Now, the biggest question is, without quoting the name of any country, any government, or any political leader, is this is the right time to open that country? When there are so many reports we have in public who are suggesting that the Delta variant is spreading, like, let me show you few articles. Pfizer shot halts severe illness in Israel. So, according to this article, the ratio was 94%. Now it is around 67% something. COVID vaccines are 8 times less effective against Delta variant. This is a study by Sir Gangaram Hospital. It is also available on Google. As Delta variant spreads fast to become dominant strain, older American shows. Now let me read a very good, is there. COVID-19 jumped 10% in United States over the last week, and the Delta variant could become the dominant strain. The variant is now transmissible than most other strains, but we also know that vaccines work well against that. Note this carefully, guys. This is very important. Of course, older people are much more prone to serious illness and death, and as we speak in number, in May and June, 91% of the COVID-19 related deaths were among 50 years and older. Still, this is down compared to December 2020, where it accounts around 96%. The one big thing that changed from December to now is the American vaccination campaign in the last 6 months. Today, 50 and older are fully vaccinated. Hold on. I'll show you one more article. Okay, it is here. This article published in the Telegraph Online, and this article is dated. It's a very latest article. It is Telegraph Online. A cluster of 4 COVID-19 cases detected after 2 guests from India attended an open-air wedding near Houston, Texas, has underlined the capacity of Delta coronavirus variant to cause infections in recipient of multiple vaccines. Genome sequencing of viruses from 6 patients, all vaccinated, suggests that the Delta variant may be able to evade immune responses in patients who have received XYZ vaccine. I'm not quoting the name, but you can yourself go to the article. This article is in Telegraph Online, a very latest article. Now, the question is very clear, guys, that the international countries are opening very fast. The opening up of London, in fact, the global synchronized effort is completely missing. It's like Israel is locked down, Australia is locked down, Indonesia more or less locked down, Malaysia more or less locked down, your Taiwan more or less locked down, Vietnam more or less locked down. I think today I read that Slovakia is also in lockdown. There are many countries who are in lockdown and they are trying very hard to stop the impact of Delta Plus. United States is showing no intent of lockdown. United Kingdom is now saying that as of 19th July, they would be opening the British economy. And, you know, the question is very clear. There is still international travel which is going between multiple countries without quoting the name. So we need to be very, very careful. We need to be very, very alert that how this scene is happening, how this scene is shaping up. But to be honest, opening up of the British economy as early as possible, I don't think it's a right decision. And just like, let me read for you. This article is stated, this article is on the website called NPR on 5th July 2021. Let me read for you. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has outlined plan to formally end nearly all England remaining coronavirus restrictions by end of July, even as the nation is experiencing a surge in the new cases from highly transmissible Delta variant. In a press conference from London on Monday, Johnson said that the success of the nation vaccination rollout has put its course to further relax restrictions starting 19th July. Though the Prime Minister said that the final decision would not be made until July 12th. If this plan moved forward, it would bring about closest version of pre-pandemic normalcy in England since before the start of coronavirus restriction nearly a year and a half ago. Rules requiring the please note carefully, rules requiring the wearing of face masks would be lifted, as would rules around social distancing. The change would allow nightclubs to reopen, bring an end to the curbs on the number of people allowed in concerts, in theaters, and sporting events. Before to close this video, I'm not against the idea of reopening. We need to come back to the normal. Business is mandatory. There is no doubt about that. We need to come back to the normal. But what is really hurting me is this paragraph, and that I thought let's make a video, which is rules requiring the wearing of face mask would be lifted, as would the rules around social distancing. The change would allow nightclubs to reopen and bring an end to the curbs on the number of people allowed at concerts, in theaters, or at sporting events. And this article is on a website called NPR, dated 5th July 2021. Best you understand. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting Group. You know my personal number, which is +91 9899 242 978. Have a great time ahead.